I did have a marvellous pour, and you will have seen on the video that I did of this particular big cup, paint dump cup pour. So many creatures turned out in it. But what did I do? I had some kind of really dark navy left, and I thought, what would this look like just swiped? And that's what I did. I've just wiped it, and I thought I'll put my video on and keep it running and just see what I turn it. Look, oh my goodness. And this paint has got no silicone in, but it's got the pouring medium that I've been working on the last couple of weeks, trying to get the consistency right, because it doesn't come out every single time, and the cells come out different every time. So there I am trying on this one. I won't post it with the actual video that I did of the main pour, because it kind of, I'll get told off by you guys, why on earth did you do that? So I'll just post it as a reworked canvas. Oh my goodness, look at these colours. Absolutely stunning. I mean, it really looks like an underwater paradise of some description. But I know I'll get so many comments if I post it on the original. Why on earth did you do that? But I've got to keep saying to you, my art room, my rules, my way. If you're saying you want to push the boundaries and just keep trying, just go for it. I like the before and I love the after. I love it. So you just keep trying. Wow. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe those cells coming up. I haven't even added any heat or anything to that yet. That's pretty unbelievable. That is unbelievable. Certainly kind of could very well go as a an abstract landscape this way as well. That's looking good, isn't it? Oh, I love that. I do. I love it. Love it. Love it. Colours, unbelievable. I will come down with my other camera and do some close-ups of all this colour and the cells. Absolutely unbelievable. No heat, no silicone. I've got to get this mix right. Okay, I'm just going to hit it with the torch. Not that it needs it, but I'll burst some air bubbles that I've got going on in there. It's obviously a very, very quick video doing a rework canvas for you, but I just want to show you the possibilities. If you get on, you think, oh yeah, that's okay, but then just go for it, people. Just go for it. Don't let anything or anyone, you know, squash your artistic exploration, should I say. So just go for it. I love that. Absolutely love it. It's yeah, it's like a definitely kind of abstract landscape sort of in a way. Let me know what you think. And thank you just for this very short video. I will just bring the camera right down now and have a look at some of the detail in it. Okay. Here is the detail. I'm sorry about the reflection on my lights. Maybe I should turn off all the lights. Look at these cells. I have got a bit of splodges in it, but look at this. Oh my goodness. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love it. So there you go, those kind of big eyes looking out at me, creeping me out a bit. Look at all the eyes in it. It's pretty amazing what shows its face in your pores, or what shows itself to you. But that's pretty unbelievable. There you go. So wait on for the photos at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. Wow. Until tomorrow, every day a pour, every day a pour. Stay well, people. Stay safe until tomorrow. Bye for now.